Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Hashir Ayaz. I am the student of Rayan School Islamabad F8 campus at foundation level. So, viewers, today I am talk about TEDx with the topic of the power of dream in curiosity. So, let me ask you a simple question. When was the last time you dreamed about something so big that it scared you? Okay, not just a small wish, but a dream that made your heart beat faster. A dream that made you think, what if I fail? Now, another question. When was the last time you asked why? Why does it happen? Why cannot I do this? Why not me? Today, I want to talk about two powerful forces that can change your life forever: dreams and curiosity. Dreams are not just things you see when you sleep. Dreams are the vision of your future. Every successful person you see today started with a dream, a small idea, a small I hope. But here's the truth: most people don't fail because they cannot achieve their dreams. They fail because they stop dreaming. Society tell us by be realistic, don't dream too big, stay safe. But let me tell you something clearly: no one ever changed the world by playing safe. Dreams are not meant to be comfortable. They are meant to challenge you. Challenge you. So now this is a dream. And now what stop us from dreaming? Fear, doubt, and sometimes people. You might hear things like, you cannot do this. This is not for you. People like us don't succeed. But remember this: your dreams are not limited by others' option. Fear will always be there. But courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is moving forward despite fear. So, this is a dream. And now let's talk about curiosity. Curiosity is the engine of learning. It is the reason children ask endless questions. Why is the sky blue? Why do birds fly? Why cannot I do this? But as we grow older, we stop asking questions. We start accepting things as they are. And that's where growth stops. Curiosity makes you explore. Curiosity makes you learn. Curiosity makes you better. Every invention, every discovery started with one question. That is why. Dreams give you direction. Curiosity gives you the path. If you only dream, you imagine. If you only stay curious, you wonder. But when you combine both, you create something powerful. But when you combine both, you create something powerful. You start asking, how can I achieve my dream? What skill do I need? What can I learn today? That's where real growth begins. Imagine a student who dreams of becoming a doctor. If he only dreams, he will just think about it. But if he becomes curious, he will ask, how does the human body work? What do doctors study? What step do I need to take? That curiosity will push him to study harder, learn more, and improve daily. That's the power of combining dreams and curiosity. So, let's be honest, the journey is not easy. You will fail, you will feel tired, you will want to quit, but every failure teaches you something. Failure is not the opposite of success, it is the part of success. Curiosity helps you learn from failure, dreams help you keep going. So my message for students, to all students listening, don't limit yourself. Ask question, learn new things, try again and again. Don't be afraid of making mistake because mistake are proof that you are trying. Okay, so today I leave you with this. Dream big, stay curious, and never stop believing in yourself because the future belongs to those who dare to dream and have the curiosity to chase those dreams. Okay, so today I will talk about the famous personality that is Adeel Hashmi. So So, viewers, Adil Hashmi message is clear. Dream without limits, stay curious without fear, keep growing every day. Closing 1 minute. So, today I leave you with this your dreams are your power. Your curiosity is your tool. Use them wisely, and you can achieving anything. Adil Hashmi message is simple. Dream big, stay curious, never give up. But simple does not mean easy. He speaks in a way that connects deeply with students and young people. Why? Because he talks about real struggles, fear, doubt, and failure. His talks are not just motivational, they are practical. Let's start about dreams. Dreams are not just wishes, they are goals with emotion. They are goals with emotion. Adil Hashmi explains that dreams give your life direction. Without dreams, you are just moving but not going anywhere. Think about it. If you don't decide your future, someone else will decide it for you. That's why dreaming is important. But Here's the problem. Here's the problem. Many people stop dreaming as they grow older. They start thinking, I am not good enough, this is too difficult, what will people say? And slowly their dream disappear. Now comes the second powerful idea, curiosity. Adil Hashmi says curiosity is the beginning of success. Children are naturally curious. They ask hundreds of questions, but adults, we stop asking. Why? Because we are afraid of looking foolish. We are afraid of being judged. But curiosity is not weakness, it is strength. Curiosity makes you I learn new skills, explore new ideas, discover your true potential. Let's be honest, fear is real. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of trying something new. Adil Hashmi explains that fear is not your enemy. Fear is a signal. It tells you that you are about to grow. If sometimes scares you, it's probably matters. So instead of running away from fear, face it. Another important lesson is our mindset. There are two types of mindset: fixed mindset, I cannot do this; grow mindset, I can learn this. Adil Hashmi encourages us to develop a growth mindset because success is not about talent alone, it is about effort, learning, and persistence. Let's imagine a student who wants to become successful. At first, he failed in exam. Now he was two choices: quiet and give up, stay cautious and improve. If he choose curiosity, he studies smarter, he asks for help, he practices more, and slowly he improves. This is not difference between failure and success. Dreams and curiosity are powerful, but they are not enough. You also need action. Adil Hashmi reminds us without action, dreams remain dreams. You must work daily, stay consistent, keep improving. Success is not a big step, it is many small steps. To all students and young people, your age is your advantage. You have time to learn, you have time to fail, you have time to grow. So use it wisely. Don't waste your time comparing yourself to others. Focus on improving yourself. Be courageous, be brave, be unstoppable. Thank you so much. So, viewers, this is our topic, the power of dreams in curiosity by Adeel Hashmi. So, Assalamu alaikum, Pakistan, Zindabad.